I'm Poonam and welcome back to your channel All That I Wonder. In today's video, I am going to share with you all my skincare routine with Plum Goodness. It includes my daytime skincare routine, my nighttime skincare routine along with my weekly skincare routine with Plum Goodness. I have been using their skincare products recently and I thought I should share with you all what my current skincare routine is. If you have not heard about this brand called Plum Goodness, it's a beautiful affordable skincare brand. You should definitely check out their products. I will link their website in the description box below so that you can go ahead and check all of their products. Also, it's Plum's 6th birthday celebration going on. So whatever products I am going to show you today and also a lot of skincare treats are available on discount on their website. So you should definitely head on to their website and check their products. So for today's video, we will start with the skincare routine. Currently, I am using their green tea travel kit. These are cute miniatures of the bigger versions which I am using currently during the daytime, nighttime and also for my weekly skincare routine. It has 5 products in it and I'm going to show you the products one by one, and also I'm going to talk you through the products and show you my routine alongside. The kit is meant for combination oily and acne prone skin. Since my skin is combination type, I thought it is best suited for my skin type as well. So let's start. The first product the kit has is Plum's face wash. So I wash my face using this face wash in the morning time and also in the night time, which is my first step in my skincare routine in the CTM routine that we follow. This face wash has glycolic acid in it and it is also a mild natural scrub since it has small granules inside it, and it has a non-drying base so it will not dry out your skin. Once I have washed my face nicely using the face wash, I go ahead and apply a toner. I know a lot of us skip through this step, but you should not skip applying a toner on your face. This is an alcohol free toner so it will not dry out your skin. This toner leaves you with a fresh feeling face, which I really like. Although you have washed your face in the first step, the face wash does not take out all the dust and grime that is on your face. Whatever is remaining, toner takes that out. And the best part about is the fragrance of all the products is really beautiful. I really love the mild fragrances all the products have. So very important it is to tone your skin. Do not skip this step. I follow this step in the morning and in night time as well. So these are the 2 steps that I follow in the morning routine and in the night routine. I wash my face and then I tone it using Plum's green tea toner. Now the third step in my morning routine is applying a moisturizer. The moisturizer is silicone free and it gives you matte natural finish and also moisturizes your skin really well. So this is where my morning CTM routine ends. From here I apply a sunscreen and then only head outside the house if I'm going outside. Even if I'm staying indoors, I do not skip applying a sunscreen. Now let's talk about the nighttime skincare routine. Once I've washed and toned my face, I use the night gel. It's the Renewed Clarity Night Gel. The night gel and the moisturizer both have very light texture so they do not feel heavy on your skin at all. So this is the third step in my nighttime skincare routine. Next, coming to my weekly routine, this is what all I follow usually, along with applying a couple of face masks from Plum. Now the 5th product in their green tea kit, green tea clear face mask. I generally apply this face mask once a week depending on the requirements of my skin. This mask gives you bright and clear skin instantly as it takes out all the dirt from your face. So this was all about the green tea kit that I am currently using. There are a couple of more products that I am using from Plum. One of them is their chamomile and white tea face mask. This is their chamomile and white tea face mask and it is also called as a glow getter face mask. It also gives you instant brightening and glow that your skin needs. This face mask is suited for normal, dry and combination skin. I generally apply this face mask once a week and also it depends on the requirements of my skin. You need to apply a uniform layer all over your face and your neck area, and then you leave this face mask on your face for 30 minutes so that it can work onto your skin. It's a clay mask and it works best in removing the grime and dust particles from your skin. This was all about my morning skincare routine, my nighttime skincare routine and my weekly skincare routine using Plum's product. All the products that I'm talking about will be mentioned in the description box below, so make sure to check the description box. Another couple of things that I really like about the brand, that they are against animal testing. That means the products are not tested on animals, and they are completely 100% vegan, and also they are free from parabens. Next, I'm going to talk you through Plum's Nature Studio Kohl Kajal. I have talked about this kajal in one of my previous videos as well. I will link it here and also in the description box, so make sure to check that video as well. I've been using this kajal for a really long time. If you ask me what is that one makeup product that I will wear and head outside, it has to be kajal. The kajal is in a pencil format since it has gel-like texture and so soft and creamy. That's why it is in a pencil form. You will have to sharpen it, and it comes with a free sharpener. Everything is mentioned on the pencil itself, the manufacturing date and the date before which you are supposed to use the kajal. It stays really well on your eyelids for entire day. My eyelids are really oily, but still it stays onto my eyelids without smudging and gives me a jet black look that I look for in a kajal. Plum's 6th birthday celebration is going on, so a lot of skincare treats and a lot of their products are available on discount. Their website is mentioned in the description box below, so head on to their website and check all of these products, as you can get them on a discount. Also, can you believe that you can get this kajal for free if you purchase a certain amount? You should definitely check the offers available on the website. So can you believe that a lot of surprise goodies can come your way if you shop today on plumgoodness.com. So let me know in the comments below which of these products you really liked, and also what all you will purchase during Plum's 6th birthday celebration. All the products, the website and all the prices will be mentioned in the description box below. I really hope you found this video useful. That's it from my side for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, you all take care, love yourself and be happy. Bye.